Don't know where to start with your packing? I'm with you, Sherpa. Let's help you out. Now, the way that you pack your stuff is going to vary according to if you've hired a porter or not, but the items are going to be similar. The temperatures in the trek are going to fluctuate a lot depending on what day you're at, so you need to make sure that you're compensating for all the different temperatures you're going to experience. Make sure to carry a warm hat and also a sun hat. And to combat the heat, make sure to carry some sunscreen as well. You should also consider carrying sunglasses and make sure they're polarized for the heat, but also to help you from snow blindness. Make sure to also carry a buff. Also carry gloves, pack t-shirts, half or full sleeved, pack down jackets, thick and thin. Pack some fleece layers, rain and wind jackets, trousers, thick and thin. Pack a few pairs of socks and some thick ones as well for tea house days. Carry some good trekking shoes with ankle support and waterproofing. And also sandals or slip-ons for tea house stays. Now, if you've hired a porter, you can carry a day bag up to 25 to 30 liters and just pack essentials like water bottles and anything else you might need. But if you're not hiring a porter, then a bag up to 50 to 60 liters should fit everything. Now, if you have hired a porter, Magical Nepal will provide you with a duffel bag, and the weight limit for porters is 20 kgs. If you're going trekking around October, November, or April, May, then you might not need micro spikes, but it's always good to carry them. It makes it a lot easier to walk on snow. Headlamps are pretty useful, especially when you need to go to the washroom at night. Poles are recommended to help with your walking a lot. The temperatures can get really cold in Dharmshala. It was around minus 10 degrees, so a sleeping bag is a must. And why not throw in a liner to make yourself even more warm? You can also consider carrying something light for entertainment, like maybe a small book, maybe some cards. If you're going to wash your clothes up there, it might take a while to dry, so make sure to carry some extra plastic bags as well. I would also recommend carrying Ziploc bags because along the trail, if you need to throw something out, you can just put them in there, including pads, tampons, stuff like that. And speaking of pads, you will get them in stores up there, but as a precaution, I'm going to carry some more with you. I would also recommend carrying toilet paper of your own as well, including wet wipes. These were a lifesaver up there, especially since it's not viable to shower every day, so wiping yourself down with one of these is very helpful. Lip balms are a must as well. My lips were absolutely messed up by the end of that trek, so make sure to cover them with your buff, but also apply lip balm religiously. And for your headlamp, you might want to consider carrying some extra batteries, although I did see them in stores up there as well. Now for basic first aid, your guide will have everything necessary to help you out with that, but if you have some specific complications and you need some specific medication, you need to bring them with you during the trek. And also if you get car sick, you might want to consider carrying some nausea medication with you and buy them when you're at Kathmandu. Also make sure to carry chargers that are compatible with your devices. And also make sure that your zippers are working properly, because if you're going in the public bus, they're going to store your bag along with other bags. So it might be a bit difficult if your zippers open up in the middle of that. You can also look up how to distribute weight evenly in your bag, because that's going to greatly affect the way that you walk and the comfortability of all that. And that should just about cover everything. Thank you so much for watching.